Okay, this is Fali, everyone. So this is another tutorial video that I'm going to show you how to export the SketchUp file into STL, and you can import it back into 3ds Max. For example, suddenly someone just give you like a SketchUp model, and then you doesn't know how to use it in the SketchUp, so you're gonna use it back in 3ds Max. So firstly, you have to have something installed as export STL. Yes, so I think it's in extension, window, and then extension warehouse, and then just type export STL and then search. Here, so export SketchUp STL. And then you can download it and then install it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to export my model, just only the roof. So first I'm gonna move it first. Just only this part. So you have to make them in group to avoid like messing up, and then go to files and then export STLs, and make sure that if your model is done in millimeters, use millimeter. If it's done in meters, use meters, or inch or feet, it depends on you. Okay, so don't do anything to the format, just export and then save the name. Since I already have it before, so it asked me to replace. Okay, so I'm not going to export it again because I already have the file ready. So here is the file. I just put it on desktop. So here the train, and then I'll just drag it into 3ds Max and then drop it down there and just wait it to be done. It takes some time because the model is quite big and it's from SketchUp, of course. So I think the file is difficult to be read by the 3ds Max. Oh, it's coming. Place the model, and then I'll just go to full screen, easier for us to see. So this is how my model look like in 3ds Max. See? Okay, so does it show up the edge? Okay, great. Make sure that you put the edge faces here in order to show up the lines in here. Okay, so now it comes as one. So what you want to do, what if you want to edit it? So now it is a mess. So you can right click on the mask and then editable poly if you want to do the poly editing, and then yes, of course, in the selections table, just select anything that you want to work on, vertex, and then edge, borders, or face. So suppose I'm going to work on the border, so I'll just click on this one and then move it up. You can see that the face is changing. So it's that simple. Now you can just work on adjusting the model from SketchUp without redoing it in 3ds Max. Okay, so that's it, and then you can save your file as normal 3ds Max file. Thank you for today. Thank you so much.